Welcome back everyone. Today I'm excited to be using the new and improved Vibe blender featuring the newly designed stainless steel jug, which has a stainless steel cap, meaning there's going to be no plastics touching your food, which is always a good thing. Today we're going to make some hemp milk. It's very, very quick, very easy, and very nutritious. To get started, add half a cup of hulled hemp seeds, followed by 3 cups of water and a pinch of salt. This will make a simple hemp milk, but you may like to sweeten it with some optional add-ins. You could add 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey, or you could blend in 2 to 3 pitted medjool dates. You could also add a teaspoon of vanilla for extra flavor. Blend on nut mode for 1 minute and then taste test it. Adjust for sweetness, saltiness, or flavor to suit your taste. Finally, add 1 extra cup of water and then blend briefly to combine. If you want your hemp milk to be thicker and creamier, just use less water. You can pass this mix now through a nut bag or some cheesecloth, but the blender on its own will do a very good job of making a smooth and creamy milk. Pour the milk into a sealable jug and store in the fridge for up to 5 days. So that's it, very simple, very easy. This is a great non-dairy milk option and very nutritious, very good for you. Give it a go for yourself at home. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Check out the blog for more cool recipes and tips and tricks on how to use your Luvele machines at home. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe. We'll be doing lots more recipes to come using the new Vibe blender. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us and we'll see you very soon.